Welcome to our channel Forex Pips Gainer. We also represent a website www.fxpipsgainer.com.
The British pound decided to once again return to the naval target ranges of 1.24 to 1.26 to 476. There was even a big exit from it with the upper shadow of the daily candle. The signal line of the Marlin oscillator was past the border with the upward trend area. Now it shows an early sign of a downward reversal from the border. We are waiting for the price to return under 1.2436 and another attempt to reach the target support at 1.2250, settling above 1.2476 will prolong the corrective growth to the level of 1.2637. So we are waiting to break out. In the chart, GBPJPY daily, GBPJPY is confronting the 159.69 barrier, which is the 50% Fibonacci retracement level of the uptrend from 150.96 until the multi-year high of 168.42, which failed to close the knot of the 166.07 to 168.55 resistance zone after expands back to February 2016. The, the, the climbing simple moving averages are endorsing the border bullish structure, but it's all maintaining that the positive rebounds in the price of the latest 1 month decline continue to be kept by the market.